I was scheduled to be on the second plane that left Boston on September 11th, 2001. But on Monday, September 10th, I woke up with a toothache and decided that I would visit my dentist in Boston. So I quickly reached out to my travel agent and changed my flight. But my two friends and their 3-year-old son, who were visiting my home in Ogunquit that weekend, unfortunately kept their flight. And they lost their lives when United 175 hit the second tower. And rather than wallow in the grief or have hatred in my heart, I thought long and hard of what I could do. I could start a foundation that would honor the memory of little David especially and my two friends. And so in the fall of 2001, we launched the Tramuto Foundation, which was initially focused on granting college scholarships. And we then expanded the foundation about 10 years after it was launched to now include organizations to make better the world by helping young children reach and pursue their goals in life.
The Tramuto Foundation and the school have partnered for quite some time now, principally on developing a scholarship that helps fund international students. The way it works is that we have international students who are doing their MPH with us, and they frequently have a hard time paying tuition and living here. And the Tramuto Foundation makes it possible for them to come here, get an MPH, typically go back to their home country and be leaders in their home countries.
Tramuto Foundation has been supporting Franny Peabody Center for about 10 years. We provide direct services for people living with HIV and AIDS in Maine. So having that partnership with the Tramuto Foundation and having them stand with us has been incredibly important, not just to the success of our programs, but to each individual person and how they're able to provide for their families and continue on their path to health stability.
Tramuto Foundation has been extraordinary to us. The way we work is we go into a country and we identify the person who's sort of the Martin Luther King of that country. And we ask them what their needs are and what's blocking them. And again, Donato himself and Tramuto Foundation has come to the rescue.
I think that one of the things that stands out for me what the Tramuto Foundation does, it really invests in the future of others. And I can tell you, though I can't speak to all of the people who have benefited from this, I have had the distinct honor of working with somebody, Catherine Eaton, who was actually part of the scholarship program.
I was pulled aside by Donato and asked whether or not I had in fact applied for his scholarship. And I said no, and he encouraged me to do so and encouraged me to go to school. I graduated in 2013 with a double degree in abnormal social psychology and sociology. Now I get to travel the world and meet absolutely phenomenal human beings who are doing incredible work, and I'm truly humbled by the work I get to do.
The year-round program involves going to external partners, such as the WABAN LifeWorks program for developmentally disabled young adults, and also the Baxter School for the Deaf. Finding myself in high school in the foster care system, I know firsthand the benefit of art engagement. It definitely saved me in my situation, and I can see for some of these kids and some of the participants that they have an aha moment, and it's enriching and engaging.
I'd like to thank the Tramuto Foundation for having faith in others, and even during tough times and trying times that could actually just knock other people to the ground, to really stand up and help others also realize that there is hope and there's potential and that something can be done. And I thank the Tramuto Foundation for being such a beacon for others.
I think the foundation's focus on giving a voice to people who are marginalized, giving resources to allow those who otherwise would not be able to achieve their full potential is astonishing. What it does is it says, let us level the playing field. Let's take people with potential, give them the resources they need so that they can do great things for the world, for all of us.
It's amazing to have a partnership with an organization like the Tramuto Foundation that really understands the importance of creating an engaging opportunity for typically underserved populations.
What's unique about the Tramuto Foundation is that they recognize a need, and any time that you decide to jump in and be a part of the solution rather than sitting on the sidelines, seeing that human potential is an incredible achievement, and we're so grateful to the foundation for being a part of that with us.
I'm not trying to do great things. What we're trying to do is little things that have the capacity to drive great change, and that is what the Tramuto Foundation is all about, is allowing young people to unleash their full potential, how they too will go on and will do great things that will make this world a better place.